A vast and infinite universe has always held secrets far beyond our wildest imaginations. These cosmic enigmas often challenge our understanding and obscure the crucial information needed for advancing scientific knowledge. Recently, however, the most advanced telescopes ever built have uncovered a mystery that defies all logic. A phenomenon so perplexing that it has left scientists around the world baffled. New findings from the James Webb Space Telescope have raised unsettling questions about the fabric of the universe itself, putting even the most fundamental theories into doubt. Joel Rohn takes a closer look at these groundbreaking discoveries, including a revelation that has rocked the scientific community: the shocking disappearance of 900 trillion stars. This is not just another data point. This discovery challenges everything we thought we knew about the universe. Launched with an investment of $10 billion, the James Webb Space Telescope has been operational in space for over 2 years. The results have already proven that every dollar spent was worth it. Webb's advanced infrared capabilities have far surpassed its predecessor, the Hubble Space Telescope, providing unprecedented views of deep space. In July 2022, the telescope began exploring extremely long wavelengths emitted by distant galaxies, detecting radiation beyond the visible spectrum, known as redshifted ultraviolet. The details Webb has revealed have been nothing short of astonishing, showing us areas of space that were previously invisible to Hubble and challenging long-standing scientific assumptions. However, there's one discovery in particular that stands out. Webb has uncovered the unexplained disappearance of a staggering 900 trillion stars. This is an observation that raises a profound question: where have they gone? And more importantly, how could so many stars simply vanish without a trace? Theories abound, and scientists are struggling to make sense of what the data is showing us. Two primary theories have emerged, each offering a different explanation for this cosmic anomaly. The first theory posits that the stars may still be present but have somehow become hidden from view. This could be due to their death, where they collapsed into black holes without going through a supernova explosion, or perhaps their luminosity has dimmed dramatically, making them nearly impossible to detect. Another possibility is that dust clouds might have obscured them, hiding their final stages from our telescopes. The second theory, however, is far more alarming. It suggests that the universe itself might be undergoing a process of disappearance, one that is irreversible and beyond our control. This theory draws on the idea that the universe is constantly expanding, and that distant galaxies are moving away from us at an ever-increasing speed. Almost a century has passed since scientists first theorized that the universe was expanding, but recent observations have revealed something even more troubling: the expansion of the universe is accelerating. In the early 2000s, astronomers discovered that the expansion of the universe wasn't just happening, it was speeding up. The fabric of space itself is stretching, pulling galaxies further apart. This means that even galaxies traveling at the speed of light will eventually be unreachable. When we observe stars whose light has traveled 100 years to reach us, we are seeing them as they were 100 years ago. But when we observe galaxies whose light has taken millions or even billions of years to reach us, we are not just seeing a distant galaxy. We are seeing it as it was when that light began its journey, and it is now much farther away due to the expansion of space. This phenomenon manifests as a redshift in the light coming from distant galaxies. As light passes through expanding space, its wavelength stretches, shifting it toward the red end of the spectrum. If the universe weren't expanding, this redshift wouldn't exist. The fact that we can observe such significant redshifts in distant galaxies provides strong evidence that the universe is, in fact, expanding. But the redshift phenomenon is more than just a confirmation of the universe's expansion. It's a window into understanding how the universe has evolved and what it is made of. By measuring the redshift of various objects at different distances, scientists can reconstruct the full history of the universe's expansion. This has allowed us to determine the composition of the universe itself. We now know that approximately 68% of the universe is made of dark energy, a mysterious force driving the acceleration of the universe's expansion. Around 27% is dark matter, and only 4.9% is composed of ordinary matter, protons, neutrons, and electrons. A tiny fraction, less than 0.1%, is made up of neutrinos and photons. This precise understanding of the universe's composition is critical for predicting its future trajectory. Using Einstein's theory of general relativity, scientists have concluded that the expansion of the universe is dominated by dark energy. This implies that galaxies not gravitationally bound to us, such as those far beyond our local group, will continue to recede at an ever-increasing rate. As the universe continues to expand, the distance between us and these galaxies will only grow, making them seem to move away at an accelerating pace. At some point, the fabric of space itself will stretch so much that photons, the particles of light, emitted by distant galaxies will never reach us, no matter how fast they travel. The expansion rate of the universe is so rapid that, even though distant galaxies may appear to be 18 billion light-years away, their true distance is far greater, as the space between them and us continues to expand. This is not just an abstract theory, it has real implications for our understanding of the universe and our place in it. The universe is expanding so quickly that regions of space we once thought were within our reach are now becoming forever inaccessible. Currently, the observable universe is about 46 billion light-years across. But of the estimated 2 trillion galaxies in the universe, only about 6% are still accessible to us. This means that even if we could travel at the speed of light, we would be able to explore only a small fraction of the universe. Every second that passes causes between 20,000 and 60,000 stars to go from reachable to unreachable, as their light is stretched beyond the point of detection. The light emitted by these stars a second ago will eventually reach us, but the light they emit now, as we speak, will never make it to Earth. This is a sobering thought, but it also highlights the fragility of our existence in the cosmos. Each moment is a fleeting opportunity to understand more about the universe before it slips away. This reality should serve as a reminder of how precious time is, especially when it comes to exploring the unknown. From a more optimistic perspective, this phenomenon challenges us to think about the future of space exploration. If we ever want to travel beyond our local group of galaxies, which includes Andromeda, the Milky Way, and a few smaller galaxies, every passing second represents a lost opportunity. The accelerated expansion of the universe means that the further we go, the more difficult it will be to reach distant galaxies. If current trends continue, most galaxies outside of our local group will be unreachable, and humanity will remain forever confined to a tiny corner of the cosmos. As time marches on, the expansion will continue to stretch space itself, pushing the galaxies we once thought were accessible beyond the horizon. This raises a critical question: can humanity ever escape the confines of its local group? Or will we remain trapped in a cosmic island, our ability to explore the vast expanse of the universe constrained by the very forces that gave rise to it? The accelerated expansion of the universe is relentless and beyond our control. The gravity we possess is not enough to counteract it. Despite the incredible strides we've made in understanding the universe, we are ultimately at the mercy of its expansion, which is carrying everything away from us at an ever-increasing pace. It's a humbling realization, but one that also fuels our desire to explore, learn, and discover, while we still have the time to do so. If you found this video thought-provoking, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue to create engaging content that explores the mysteries of the universe and beyond.